Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create user accounts for your Firebase application using the FirebaseTS package. Before we get started, be sure to watch the video on how to set up the package. The video for that is posted in the video description. Also, make sure to enable the email and password sign-in method in the Firebase project console. In this demonstration, we have a simple interface that allows the user to enter their account credentials and a button to create the account. Add the FirebaseTS auth class to the imports, and create an instance of it. The class contains a method called createAccountWith, which is used to create an account. It accepts an object with up to 4 properties: email, password, onComplete, and onFail. The email property is the email we want to use for the account. The password property is the password we want to use for the account. The onComplete and onFail properties are callback functions that gets called when the task is finished successfully or not. We can display a success message when it creates the account, or we can display an error message when it fails. If we save the project and go to our application in the browser, we can enter our email and password for the account, and then click on the Create button to create the account. And if we go to the authentication section of the Firebase project console, we see that the account was created. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. If you have questions, leave a comment. See you in the next video.